Hello everyone, my name is Austin from Marin Acura, and today I'll be showing you guys a tutorial on how to use your SIDrive in your 2018 Subaru WRX STI. So, in order to access this feature, all you have to do is go below the shifter, and you're going to have a button right here that says on the left, SIDrive. And what SIDrive stands for, again, is the Subaru Intelligent Drive. And basically this controls all the response for your motor and throttle response as well. So let's start off. So first off, your vehicle by default will start in intelligent, and intelligent is basically the normal mode in like a typical car. So this gives you the best gas mileage for your vehicle, but it's going to be less responsive on a throttle. But if you want to go more responsive on your throttle, they have the sport mode for you, and all you have to do is go counterclockwise to activate it. So let me go counterclockwise on the knob, and as you can see, it says right there that the sport mode is activated. So basically what this does is it gives you more of a response. So this is in between like the super sport mode and the intelligent drive, so it's giving you best of both worlds. But if you want to take it more one notch after that, go to sport sharp. So this is basically the track mode of this vehicle. If you want to take it up to twisties in the mountain as well, this is the perfect feature for you. So basically what sport sharp does is it maximizes the performance in this vehicle. So it gives you the best this vehicle could do, giving you the best response and all the motor it can get for you. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this quick tutorial, you guys. My name is Austin from Marin Acura, and thank you guys for watching.